Mic check. Always scary on that one. What is up, Paradise Crew? I'm really excited for this video. My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And if you're new here, we talk about cruising, cruise tips, things to do in port. But this particular topic, we're talking about shoes.
I love shoes.
What do shoes have to do with cruising? Let's jump right into the video.
Yeah, these are coming in handy for this water park.
Yeah.
You can wear shoes on the water slides. I'm really glad I did actually on that very first one because it went fast and it kind of hurt. And I feel like it would have really hurt my feet.
Now, before we get started, if you stick to the end of this video, we're actually going to give you guys something very special. Spoiler alert, it's going to be some new shoes. Watch this video all the way through, and we will give you guys the details on how to enter, but someone's going to win a brand new pair of shoes. Now, whether you've been on a ton of cruises or you've never cruised before, you've probably run into the instance of wearing sandals. Sandals, those evil little things that cause so many issues for so many people. Think about it. They give you this small little foam piece and they give you this little thong part that goes in between your toes and it's uncomfortable and you're walking around on the ship. No, really, think about it, guys. There's so many excursions that we have gone on and they say you have to have closed-toe shoes, or you get on the ship and you have to do zip lining, and what do they say? Closed-toe shoes. You have to have shoestrings. Ma'am, flip-flops are not allowed.
I mean, I like flip-flops, but I get your point.
Insert Aleader shoes. These shoes are the real deal. Now, we have gotten a lot of stuff over the course of our YouTube channel, and every now and then, a company surprises us, and this company surprised me big time. Wasn't ready for how good these shoes were.
No, me either. Mainly because I don't like wearing shoes into the water.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so water shoes, not a thing for me, and I have been a flip-flop person.
Mm-hmm.
Super guilty. However, I am never wearing sandals or flip-flops on an excursion ever again.
It doesn't make sense to.
These are the best thing that I've put on my feet.
Do you remember when I was on the Carnival Magic around Christmas and I had my sandals on and I was walking down the steps?
Yep.
Supposedly no slip steps, and I fell down 2 flights of stairs. Well, not
2 flights.
Not 2. That's what it felt like. Okay, so it was like 2 steps. But these shoes, when they talk about like non-slip technology, like it is really, really
They're
rough.
so great.
So I'll switch to this clip right here. They actually drain as well. So when you stick your foot inside of water, inside the pool, the water will drain outside it will drain outside the bottom of the shoe, which is incredible. Mm-hmm. Look how well these drain. Yeah, those are rock solid.
How neat are these?
Isn't that neat?
That's super neat.
It's super neat.
So, if you can see this, obviously you can see that they're very stylish. Mm. And another reason I didn't wear water shoes, or I don't like wearing water shoes, is because most of the time they look awful. Mm. But these look really cool. Yeah. And I've actually walked around not in a water situation in these because 1, they're comfortable, and 2, they look really cool.
So I decided to go with the all black stretch ones. They are nice. They have a little drawstring. It's super comfortable. And like Alyssa said, they're stylish. So I actually sometimes wear these to the gym. All black shoes, black shirt, black shorts. And because they have that hard sole and that flexion, it's really a multi-purpose shoe at this point. So guys, I'm out by the pool and you can see how freaking tough these shoes are. Like, I'm clanking them together. But what's really cool is I didn't know that I stepped on a rock. Check this out. You can see a little rock in there, which is crazy. And then there's a rock in this side too. So I'm gonna try to get that out. And one fell out. So yeah, It looks like even if you get stuff stuck inside of it, if you're on an excursion, you can definitely get the rock out. Now I just got to get the rock out to the pool. So yeah, these things are really freaking cool, man. I like this a lot. Yeah, those are good.
So we really put these babies to the test when we were in Costa Maya. If you haven't seen that vlog, we'll link it up here. But we went to a water park, which was so awesome. But these were great even for the water slides.
Yeah.
So we were able to wear these on the water slides. They protected our feet. We could walk around the park. We did zip lining, which obviously you need to have closed-toed shoes anyway, with a water landing. That was really cool. And then we played around on the lazy river.
Yeah. So it was really nice being able to just transition to different areas of the park without having to, let me take my flip-flops off and let me put on my tennis shoes.
Right.
Let me take off my tennis shoes and put on my water shoes. Like this shoe, like it crushed it. Like Aleader, props to you guys. Like you passed the Griff and Alyssa test. Kabang. So let's talk about how you can win these shoes. Alyssa's got the directions right here. She's gonna read them to you.
I'm going to read you the direction. Step 1, subscribe to this channel.
Easy.
Easy. Step 1, part B, subscribe to Alyder Water Shoes channel. Okay?
Got it.
Got it? Great. Step 2, like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Because we're awesome, and these shoes are awesome, and we know you want to win these shoes. And step 3.
The pause. She's killing me with these pauses.
Anticipation. Step 3, add 1 pair of shoes to your cart on the official Alyder Water Shoes website. I believe it's alydergear.com. We'll put it here in the bottom in case I'm incorrect. But go ahead, take your pick, choose 1, and put it in your shopping cart.
That's all you have to do.
All you have to do. From there, they will select 2, so not 1, but 2 winners. And then they will send you your shoes for free.
So you're telling me all they have to do is 1, click subscribe on the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then subscribe to Alyder's channel, which is linked below. And then all they have to do is go to the store and add a pair of shoes to their cart.
Yep.
And then someone from Alyder team is just going to send them a pair of shoes and then send a second person that pair of shoes.
You got it.
That is very simple for some of the best shoes that you're ever going to have for excursions. Like, there you go.
There you go.
There you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm excited to go on our next trip. I want some more pairs of shoes, maybe a different color. I really love these gray ones,
Yeah,
right?
I like them a lot.
But if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.